The Assam Assembly on Thursday passed the Muslim Marriages and Divorce Bill as well as the new bill on land and revenue. Opposing the bills, the opposition parties walked out of the assembly, alleging that Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma was harassing one community. Opposing the Muslim Marriages and Divorce Bill, AIUDF MLA Aminul Islam said it was a violation of the Muslim provisions of personal law and will go to court. Another AIUDF MLA Rafiqul Islam said the Assam Land and Revenue Bill protects Majuli and thus opposition have no objection to this. However, the 2.5-year-old iconic structure in Assam has been made a protected area and people living in 5 kilometers of outside cannot buy it.
देखिए, आसाम लैंड एंड रेवेन्यू जो बिल सरकार ने लाया है उसमें ये किया है, एक माजुली का प्रोटेक्शन की बात है। उसमें हमारा कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं है। माजुली एक प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया होना चाहिए, उस पर कोई हमारा आपत्ति भी नहीं है। दूसरा, उसमें जो उनका वो है कि 250 साल पुराना जो आइकनिक स्ट्रक्चर है आसाम में, उस आइकनिक स्ट्रक्चर को 5 किलोमीटर के चारों तरफ से 5-5 किलोमीटर बाहर के कोई लोग वहाँ अंदर जाके कोई प्रॉपर्टी नहीं खरीद सकते। ये जो इन्होंने कंडीशन लगाया, या अंदर जो लोग हैं वो आपस में अपना वो करेंगे, बाहर के किसी लोगों के साथ बेच नहीं सकते। लेकिन मुख्यमंत्री साहब का जो आइकनिक स्ट्रक्चर को प्रोटेक्शन की लेकर जो बिल इन्होंने लाया है, आसाम में 100 से ज़्यादा इस तरह आइकनिक स्ट्रक्चर निकलेंगे जिसका 250 साल पुराना इस तरह स्ट्रक्चर होगा। उन्होंने तो एक कम्युनिटी को टारगेट किया है। मुख्यमंत्री का टारगेट आसाम का पर्टिकुलर कोई कम्युनिटी है, लेकिन मुख्यमंत्री ने ये सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि हर कम्युनिटी के लोग इसमें अफेक्टेड होंगे, इसलिए हमने इसके विरोध किया। सरकार ने हमारी मांग को नहीं माना, हमने वॉकआउट किया है।
Actually, we bring a lot of amendment in this new bill. Most of the provisions of this fresh bill is bring from the Special Marriage Act 1954. It's an intercaste marriage. So how they can bring from that act to this act? So our question is very clear. It is the Muslim Act, it is solemnization with these Muslim people and the registrations they have combined. That's why our demand is very clear how they can do this. Actually, if there is a controversy, this in fresh act is totally there is no position for the Qazis. Qazi Act 1880 is a central act, and this is the regional act of the state registration. Then governor should take the prior permission from the President of India, but it is not happening in Assam. Without the permission or without the consent of the President of India, how they can establish this act? Actually, we have to already complain against it. The several articles, Article 25, Article 26, Article 254, Article 31C, several provisions of the Indian article is violated by this act. Only they have targeted the Muslim peoples, and several tough situations are there. And you see the sub-register, one district, that is one sub-register, how it is possible to manage all the peoples to under this marriage. So I think there is lots of unconstitutional happening. So we have to raise amendment. We are not withdrawing our amendments. After this saying, if it is violating the Muslim provisions of the personal law, we move to the court. We are opposing this.
Leader of opposition Debabrata Saikia said the Chief Minister was trying to appeal to a community on the basis of religion. He said BJP was trying to rewrite on the basis of religion.
Now we have worked out there is a land bill. That's okay. But while he is speaking, the Chief Minister is trying to belittle one community based on religion. He is saying that the Assamese community, Assamese identity will be vanishing, and I don't know why he has said so. After BJP coming to power, that tradition was also violated. So history is being the BJP is trying to rewrite on the basis of religion, and Assamese community is not based on religion, and this is very unfortunate. So we have worked out